Hey guys, today we have something special for all you Mustang fans. This is a 2013 Boss 302 Laguna Seca Mustang. It's black. Unfortunately, underneath all this gray, it is actually black. But the thing has a funny story. It was bought in Tennessee, driven all the way back here to California, and then it was parked. So it hasn't been touched for about a year now. And sitting in the warehouse, it got tons of water spots, it's got dust. And then over the past weekend here, some kids decided they were gonna do some mathematics on the hood here and also on the side of the vehicle, which actually scratched it. So now I'm going to show you how to remove all this dirt and debris without adding new scratch and swirls, and then later on in the video we're going to show you how to polish it. So now we're going to be introducing our brand new product, which I'm super excited to talk about, our new TORQ Snow Blaster R1. Now, like I'd mentioned, I'm going to be introducing our brand new TORQ Foam Blaster R1. Now this is a great foam gun for any of you guys who don't have a pressure washer. Simply foam your vehicle, get that same great suds without scratching it. Now right off the bat, you see it has this beautiful box here. Great colorful graphics. Any of you guys who wanted to take Jen home, there you go, you got it right on the box. And now we're going to open it up, and then on top here you've got your canister. Big thick plastic, so it's going to be super durable. Also has a flat base, so it's not going to tip over and spill. Also you've got your top here. This is what's going to give you that great foam. It's going to aerate the product to give you the thick suds. And a straw down here, which is going to help collect the soap from the bottom of the canister. Now what's interesting about this new foam gun is it comes with these 3 new attachments. And what this is going to do is help you designate how much soap and foam you're putting on the vehicle. By using a smaller one, you're restricting the flow of snow. And then by leaving it open like I'm going to do it here, it's going to give you the most suds and the most foam on the vehicle. Now lastly, you've got your trigger nozzle here. Simply attach it right to the gun here, or you can leave it off for rinsing down the vehicle before you start your wash process or finishing off the wash process. So what we're going to do is we're going to assemble it all together, put some citrus washing gloss in there because we want something that's really going to cut through all that dirt and debris, and then start washing this Mustang. So now that we're back outside, we're going to start washing this Mustang, but before we do that, we're going to set up our foam blaster and our buckets. Now we've already filled this up with water, and now we're going to add our citrus washing gloss. And as I mentioned, this is going to help cut through all that grime, anything that's on the surface, and also get back to that black finish. Now you can see this is a concentrated soap. All this is a very thick concentration. You can shake it up to mix it all together, and we're only going to use about an ounce. So that's about 3 capfuls, or about that much. And now we'll reattach the top. We can mix it all together, and then we'll start by rinsing the vehicle off to knock down that heavier, loose dirt and debris. And the reason we do that is because dirt and particles is very abrasive. So by using some water, that's just going to help lubricate it to soften it, and then the foam is what's actually going to lubricate the surface so we don't scratch it. And we'll also place our dirt traps in the bucket while we're here, place it in at an angle, and the reason we do this is to prevent any air getting trapped underneath it, which would prevent a good seal. So one for our wash bucket and then another one for our rinse. And this is going to further reduce the amount of dirt that we bring back on the vehicle, which in the end game is going to keep it from scratching the car. So now that this is set up, we can also add an ounce of our citrus washing gloss for more added lubrication and shine. And now we'll start by rinsing down the vehicle, and then we can start washing.